In this video, I'm going to show you how to create content creator planner. Are you a content creator? Come close. A side hustler? Come close. You are looking for a way to make money online. This video is for you. I'm going to teach you how to create it from scratch to the end. Just 10 to 15 minutes. We are done. Or you need already made of these planners. Go to my description link and download it. And also show you the platform where you will sell your product. Okay, let me walk you through on how to create it step by step. Let's go. You will come to Google Chrome. You click Canva. That is Canva. You click. We are going to use A4. Just type 4. So it will bring you to this interface. As you can see, these are my previous work. So you can see them. Show you something. See, this is a ruler. This is a ruler. What are the essence of this ruler? Is for your work to be on a straight line. So how can you find this line? You come to this file, you click settings. As you click settings, it will bring you to this place. Please make sure that you put it here. Thank you. Next one, if at all that maybe the work that you want to do, you don't want to use a white background, you need another background, different colors. So what you have to do is just to click at the center or any place in this workplace. It will pop out this. You click this. It will bring any color of your choice. You can any color you want. Okay. But for this tutorial, we are going to use white. Click white alignment. So you click. Let me check this one. Okay. Then you use one. Just turn it upside down. If you minimize it, okay, bring it here. To come to text, you click text. So you type content creator. You stretch it. You minimize it. If you drag it to this place, now it will not pop out because you cannot use black under black. So what you have to do is just to highlight it, change the color to white. Okay, nice one. Bring it to effect. Come to glow. Okay, it will pop out very well. Come to position. It's already at the center. You are going to come back to text. You click text. You write planner. Okay, I hope you guys are following me. You bring it here. We need adjustment. Let's space this a little bit. Okay, this one like that. Space. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, come back to alignment, scroll down. Let's make use of this. Minimize it a little bit and bring it here. You duplicate it, turn it upside down. Okay, it is very well. Nice one. Then bring it here. Let's see. Okay, let's use this. Okay, drag it to this place and bring this one down. So you come back to text, plan, create, highlight all and change this to white. Okay, then bring it here. Nice one. That is beautiful. So alignment, scroll down. Let's get this. Bring it here. Bring it here. Let's see. Let's scroll down a little bit. Bring it up here. Zoom it so that you can see it very well. Just come back to text. Okay. You click. You write. Okay. And go back to text again. You will come back to alignment again. You scroll down. Okay. Just minimize it a little bit, then click on it. We come to transparency, reduce it, reduce the color a little bit, bring it up here. So duplicate it, and bring it here. As you can see, so you will need to reduce it. Okay, then reduce it, then bring it up there. Bring this one down. Let's do it like this. Okay, bring this one down. Let's go to, so you bring it here, take this one up here, you duplicate this line. Before you duplicate the line, let's minimize the line, reduce the line. It's too thick, make it 1. Nice one. Then you duplicate it, bring it here, push this one back a little bit. Nice one. Just come back to text again, come back to text, click, shift type, we click go. Okay, keep it aside, type again, bring it here. Okay, bring this one here as well. Go back to text, 3, bracket it here, bring this one here, come back to alignment, you click alignment, you type line, reduce it, then bring it here, then duplicate it. Okay, get more, and bring it, you duplicate it again, turn it, bring it here, okay, duplicate again, bring it there, duplicate this one, bring it up here. So for you to know whether this line balance well, just zoom it. Okay, nice one. So this place, let's bring it down small. Then you come to text, click text, type 1, duplicate. Okay, change this to 3, change this to 2, bring it up here. Let's get it very well. Okay, good. The numbers, you position them very well. Good. So we'll duplicate this one again. Okay, make sure it's on the straight line. Okay, so you zoom it. For you to get it very well, have to zoom it. Okay, stretch it like this. Okay, duplicate this one. Duplicate this one again. Nice one. Stretch this one a little bit. Stretch this one a little bit. And duplicate this line again. Bring it here. Then reduce this one to 1. reduce this one. Reduce this one. Nice work. So we are done with that. So the next thing we are going to do right away is to create the platform, video title, topic, status, and CTR. So let's go to text. You click text. If you type anyone, click 1, 2, 3. Just gap, give it 3 gap, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that we are doing that so that the work will be on a straight line. The next thing we are going to do, use this line, duplicate any of this line, bring it down. Let's go to alignment. Use the tape right. You will stretch this tape. Place this on top. Then you turn this on. You bring it here. Then zoom it a little bit. Just like that. Duplicate all of them. Like that. Okay, one more. So the next thing we're going to do is to duplicate again. This time around, we are going to turn it like this. We're going to turn it. Okay. Duplicate again. So just like that until you get 7 lines. Okay. Let's come back to text. You click text, drag it. Monday. Bring it here. Let's use this one. Duplicate. Bring it here. Tuesday. Okay. We duplicate. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We need a box. Come to alignment. Okay, let's go down. Okay, we need this box. Minimize it. Keep it aside. Come to this place. Duplicate it. And duplicate it. Duplicate it. So this box, we bring it here. Duplicate it, keep it at the center, duplicate again. So we are through with that. Duplicate this, reduce it, duplicate again, bring it here. Duplicate again. Duplicate this. Duplicate this. So let's minimize it and check the work. Wow, it's nice. So one thing remains here for us to round up. Footnote. Come to text. Click text. Let's bring it down here. Center. So the next thing now we are going to do, let's do my go back to alignment. Click this. Come to position. Come to transparency. Reduce it, lighten it. Lighten it, lighten it, lighten it. So we are done. As you can see, this is how to create. Zoom it. Look at our work. It's very, very neat. Wow, excellent. This is how to create content creator daily planner. As you can see, our work is marvelous. So let's cross check our work, whether is there any place you made a mistake. Let's just cross check. Let's click this one, check. Okay, it's aligned very well. Let's cross check. We are done. So the next thing we are going to do is export it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can export it in a PDF print. Okay, so let me walk you through. So the next thing you have to do is come to share this place, then you click download. You come to this place. Please, you see PDF standard, JPG, PNG. Please do not select any other one except this PDF print. This is the one you should go for, PDF print. Okay, so let me show you a platform where you can sell it. One of the most trustworthy platform where you can sell your digital products. Okay, a friendly beginner. You come to Chrome, so you click Gumroad, you wait. So these are the place you can sell your products. Gumroad. So this platform, just launch your products, set your accounts, payments, you are good to go. So this is the place where you sell your products after you create it. Okay, you come to this place, just register through Gmail and launch your products. Okay, and start selling. Thank you so much. Please, if you love this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you need already made, as I said earlier before, go to my description link and download it and start making use of it. If you want to sell, you can sell. Thank you very much, and I love you guys.